Hello, everyone. I'm Laurnetta Sanks, former Lockheed Martin engineer and passionate robotics educator. In our very first session, we're not just learning robotics, we're rethinking it. Using Aristotle's first principles, we'll strip away assumptions and rebuild robotics from the ground up. This isn't dry textbook theory, it's real-world problem solving you can apply immediately. We'll start where robotics truly comes alive, the SG90 servo motors. Because robotics isn't about coding for screens, it's about coding for movement. I'll show you why servo calibration is the key to precision, how the right-hand spherical coordinate system connects math and physics to motion, and how Otto's mechanical design lays the foundation for intelligent, lifelike movement. If you're ready to move beyond surface-level coding and truly understand robotics from the inside out, this webinar is for you. Let's rethink robotics. Let's learn from the bottom up and become smarter together.